Leuven, a vibrant university city located in the heart of Belgium, exudes a unique blend of youthful energy, historical significance, and cultural richness. Home to one of the world's oldest Catholic universities, Leuven boasts a rich heritage that harmonizes with its modern charm, creating an inviting atmosphere that caters to a diverse range of interests. Leuven's most iconic landmark is the awe-inspiring Gothic masterpiece, the University Library. This architectural gem, with its intricate detailing and imposing spires, stands as a symbol of the city's intellectual legacy. The nearby La Douzaplane Square provides a stunning backdrop for leisurely strolls and cultural events, with its open spaces and the impressive Alphonse statue representing a student absorbed in reading. The city's cultural scene thrives within its various museums and galleries. The M-Museum Leuven showcases contemporary art exhibitions, allowing visitors to engage with innovative artistic expressions. The Leuven Museum offers insights into the city's history, from its medieval origins to its role as a center of learning and culture. The STUK Art Center hosts a diverse array of performances, ranging from theater and dance to film screenings and experimental art. Leuven's culinary landscape is equally captivating, thanks to its thriving food culture. The Oude Market, often referred to as the longest bar in the world, boasts an array of bars, cafes, and restaurants that offer an opportunity to savor Belgian beers and local delicacies. The city's weekly markets, such as the Friday Market, showcase fresh produce, artisanal products, and crafts, providing a lively hub of activity. The city's student population infuses Leuven with a youthful spirit and dynamic energy. The University of Leuven, known for its academic excellence, has played a pivotal role in shaping the city's identity. The lively student population contributes to the city's active nightlife scene, which includes a variety of bars, clubs, and live music venues that cater to different tastes and preferences. Leuven's historic streets and squares invite exploration on foot or by bike. The Groot Beginhof, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a glimpse into the lives of the Beguines who once inhabited this peaceful enclave. The Botanical Garden, located near the university, provides a serene retreat with its diverse collection of plants and green spaces. In essence, Leuven is a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with its contemporary vibrancy. Whether you're immersing yourself in its intellectual heritage, engaging with its cultural offerings, indulging in its culinary delights, or simply enjoying its inviting ambience, Leuven promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Belgian charm and innovation.